In an ideal world for software developers, updating your software to the latest version should be not much more than one click on a button. So, with TMS Subscription Manager, you have been able to work with installing our software for many years when you had purchased bundles like TMS All Access, TMS FNC Component Studio, TMS BIS subscriptions, and so on. But we thought at TMS Software, as we always do, that we can do something better, and that's why we develop now TMS Dashboard, TMS Dashboard that is built on top of the TMS Smart Setup technology that we created, especially for managing software updates, but also for managing dependencies while installing and updating software. And if you open the dashboard, you can see the My Products page, which shows you all the products you have a license for. And for example, if we move to the installable tab, which shows you the products that we have meanwhile created with TMS Smart Setup, you can see here that, for example, TMS GraphQL for Delphi is available, is Smart Setup enabled, and as such, we can install it via the TMS dashboard. So let's have a look at the install experience. I have selected GraphQL. I press install. It asks if I should install it for all the IDEs that Smart Setup finds on our system. I select OK, and it triggers the install process. You can see here the progress of that process, and it shows you also the logging. Always interesting in case something is not 100% correct with your IDE and causes Smart Setup to fail, then you can simply with this button copy the log output and send it to our support to help you. But as you can see here, the install was successful. If I now look at the installed products, you can see that GraphQL was installed, and the process is equally easy to uninstall this product. When there is a new release of TMS GraphQL for Delphi, you will see it here among new releases, and you can launch the update from there. You will also be able, in case a license to a product is expired, to go here, see your expired products, and also from here you will be able to manage a renewal for your license subscription. So that's what TMS Dashboard offers you in terms of access to the products you have a license for. As you can see, it's a very easy process to get products, to install them for the first time, but also to install updates. We can also put it in dark mode for those interested in the dark mode in this dashboard application. And what we have here is the resources page, where we bundle all resources we think are of interest to you, and that is in the first place view on the latest product releases. So you can see here that these were our most recent released products, and in order of releases in the first column you can see all these new updates. In the second column you can see the latest videos that we produced, and you can launch these videos directly from here. So it's also a way to stay in touch with all the new video material that we release. And the same applies to blog posts. You can actually see here, which is quite logical, the announcement on our blog for the new TMS dashboard that is in beta now, that you can download now, and that you can start using. And if you want to keep updated with what's happening in our support center, also here you can see the latest discussion topics in our support center. So even when you have not licensed any product yet, the TMS dashboard is already valuable. Know that you can also launch that dashboard from our website, tmssoftware.com/site/dashboard. And so even that offers you a way to stay updated with all latest releases, video, blog posts, and support center. And if you have a license, you go to My Products and you can see everything from here. You can even look up information. For example, if you have an interest in everything that is FNC related, you can filter on these products to make it easy and convenient. So that's a view at our new dashboard. We invite you to start using it, testing it, and give your feedback. We are very interested to make this the one place to manage everything in connection with our software from the TMS dashboard. And we look forward to your feedback and make the product, the TMS dashboard, even better with future releases.